Welcome back to another Tilted Knot video. I do not have a woodworking project for this one. We've finally gotten to where we have some decent weather to work with to get stuff taken care of outside. So we have turned our attention to the yard, which is badly needed, and also addressing an issue I had with the LED lights that we had, or that I installed a couple of years ago, with not having any kind of a U channel or anything to protect the lights from the elements, from water, rain, ice, snow, that kind of thing. It's been rather annoying because I've had multiple connections get burned out, fried a few of the controllers, and so I figured it was time to get that taken care of. Over the last year or so, I've been trying to find a solution for the LED lights, and finally found some aluminum U channel with a diffuser strip on Amazon that I felt would be able to provide the protection that we need and also clean up and straighten up the install for the lights. So that's what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks. I will show you the difference between the lights over our garage door and the front door with before and after. I don't have any video of me putting up the strips just because it took me so long. The U channel comes in 30-meter lengths, or a total of 30 meters. They're 1 meter sections. I ordered 2 boxes thinking that was going to be enough. Didn't realize how many lights we actually have up on the house, and the just sheer amount of channeling that I would actually need for the front and the lights that are on our back porch. So I got going on that, realized I didn't have enough. I ended up ordering a total of 6 boxes. I used 5.5. It comes out to a little over 165 feet of channel that I installed, plus everything else that we've been doing. So it's been a very busy couple of weeks. Fortunately, we've had some dry weather. It's been quite warm. We went from early to mid-spring weather straight into summer, so we're having to adjust to that real quick. And it's definitely, in the last several days, have been a lot hotter than what we anticipated. If you are interested, this is the U channel that I was able to get off Amazon. They're designed for a 12 millimeter light strip, which is what we have. And the diffuser strip just simply flips into the U channel, and it gives a really nice closed up, even look for the lights that are installed. So that's what I've been doing. I'll show you the differences again between the before and after. I didn't film actually installing the channels. Just didn't think that that's something that you guys really needed to see. It's very, very easy. They come with a series or a set of clips that you can clip the U channel onto, and then they have connectors that go between them so that you can be able to get a nice tight connection. They can be screwed directly to the wall or to the fascia in our case. And some of it was actually screwed directly to the rain gutters so that we would be able to have those follow the bottom of the rain gutter and have them nice and even. But you'll see the difference. The roof lights currently don't work. I'm waiting on new controllers and should have those in the next day or two, so I can be able to get those up and running. And I can post this quick video of that once I get that restructured and how I've got all the lights set up and the controller set up in the garage. But here we go with this portion of the video. It's going to be rather short, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope it gives you some ideas of what you can do with your own as well. Thank you. All right. Here is the original inlay or install, just using the plastic clips, and you can see the sagging and unevenness with the way the lights are.
And when you turn them on, it becomes really obvious. And this is what I wanted to clean up. With the U-channel installed and the diffusers on, it makes a huge difference. And here's the before and after with the garage door. You can see the plastic clips that I used originally and the difference with the U-channel. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully this gives you an idea of what you can do, and I will see you on the next video.